Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been...
Okay, with an average of 73 daily passengers from the 2016 to 17 statistics, and only 3 carriages can fit on an extended platform, we welcome you back to Fiskerton for Feb's 19th. The next train to arrive at platform 2 will be the 12:21 East Midlands trains service to Newark Castle, calling at Rolleston and Newark Castle. Change at Rolleston for Southall Racecourse, which is about a quarter-mile walk from this station. Okay, time now is 12:10, Saturday the 6th of October 2018. This is for slight delay 12:10 at 2 Lima 62 East Midlands train service from Lincoln Central to Leicester. The next Lincoln Central Leicester has been cancelled. Apparently it's due to a problem with the train, but all Nottingham Liverpool are 5 coaches today. So they've got spares, but they've sent them down Liverpool instead for the first time ever for the Liverpool Giants Festival or something or other. Still not really putting them where needed, is it? In a way, yes, but then you've got 0 spares. For if a train breaks down, you're just going to have to pull it. Useless. I think it's actually the first time they've ever added more carriages to a train. Speaking of train, this one's already bloody here. 6414. Please note services between Derby and Matlock will resume on Monday the 8th of October. Please see the Great Giant poster board at some Castle Line and Derwent Valley stations with a tiny poster to see if there's any service amendments to these trains. Great big poster board. Following the Derby signalling work near Derby Station, some trains will run slightly earlier from Monday the 8th of October between Nottingham and Newark Castle. Please see below full services that will run. Monday to Friday, the 8:52 Nottingham Newark Castle will be Carlton 8:58, Lowdham 9:05, Fiskerton 9:12. 11:52 Nottingham Newark Castle, Carlton 11:58, Burton Joyce 12:02, Loudham Taurus 7, Thurgerton 12:11, Bleasby 12:14, Fiskerton 12:18, Rolleston 12:20. Same for the 14:51. Then Saturday, roughly the same alterations there as well. But they could have done a giant post instead of that little thing taking up the old board to itself. This is lazy as community rail. Good blimey. That's early. Let's not worry about this now, but let's think what's gone wrong. The time now is 12:17. This is for 12:21 to November 3-1 Derby to Newark Castle. Doesn't leave Bleasby for 2 minutes. And that's about 5-6 minutes away from us. So what's gone wrong this time? Still strange why we're doing a good 5 minutes prior. This train is still at Bleasby, according to reports anyway. Won't be here for 4 minutes. Where's the Sandite? Loudham. I need to get back there, but fucked if I can be arsed. I actually can't, it's about 50 minutes away from me. I was going to go Kurt and Lindsay today to get a route learning pacer. No joke, there's still staff training on them. It was raining like no tomorrow, so I thought, nah, sod it. Then it stopped, so I just come here instead. It's been about 9 months since we were last here in last year's Christmas with Fabe. And that was day 9, the second Castle Line voyage. But oh well, if we can get this above 10-15 minutes, we'll premiere it and do a live conversation. If not, it'll go as usual. Is the rule that I meant? Just okay, train just passing Morton. Or Fiskerton Junction. Yeah, left off Bleasby 1 early. Left off Fiskerton 1 early. To arrive here 1 early. It's not terrible, is it? Tell a lie, it started off Derby a minute early. Under dispatch. What's gone wrong there? (15847) Lincoln Castle Explorer. Exploring Newark Castle. They've only gone and done it again, haven't they? Time now is 12:23. This will be 12:33. Deutsche Bahn cargo service from Stapleford San Diego to Toten with the Sandite. They've done it again. Let's get on the platform. I think it might be the 56s. Fancy that 10 minutes early done this time. Good grief. So what we'll do is we'll stand in this part until it's the signal at Morton or somewhere around that. Yeah, expected pass 12:29. Where are we? Right, it's now 12:24. Expected, where are we? Fiskerton, 12:29. That's all fine and dandy then. The brig driver trains are running approximately half an hour late this afternoon, whatever time of day it is. And buses for South Western delayed through Bournemouth due to roadworks. Here it is. It's a shame because Rolleston isn't down yet. So it might stop. No, but really Rolleston isn't down yet. And it's not a stopping service. And it's got to even out the gap, of course, through Staithorpe. No, it's the Collars 67s. Oh, I don't like these. Because it's got to even out the gap anyway, it might stop here. I'm not going to go too far, otherwise we're off the level crossing thing, aren't we? Actually, is it 67 and 56? Either way, I've got a good view here anyway, so it won't be going too quickly due to no clearance through Staithorpe. Oh, what's on the Sandite today then from Stapleford? $67,023. Stella. And 67027 Charlotte. Okay, as we finish off with the Sandite from Stapleford San Diego to Toten. With the 67s, which usually run in place of the Network Rail high-speed measurement train with Collis. It's strange though, because all the Sandites these days down here running for Deutsche Bahn, but seem to be Collis. What's gone wrong? What has gone wrong? Where's all the stock? Where's it all gone? Has it been stolen by the RMT? Has it been stolen by ASLEF? Has it been stolen by the Tories? What's happened with it? Anyways, thank you for watching today's video from Fiskerton for me 19th. This was a premiere, as I decided to, well, let you chat with me whilst we was at it, even though it's a very short video. It's less than 15 minutes, but there we are, that's life. But yes, let's jabbering, more end screen please. Thank you for watching, we'll see you next time.